Now we will discuss on addition and subtraction of column vector. For example, here you are written three vector A, B and C. You are asked to find A plus B, B minus 3C, 2C minus 5A. After addition or subtraction of vectors, we get another vector as a resultant. Now we will add or subtract these vectors. First of all, A plus B. A is 1, 2 plus B vector is 3 minus 10 equal to 1 plus 3, 4, 2 minus 10 minus 8. This is our answer. Adding or subtracting vectors is one of the easiest topic. We just need to add or subtract the corresponding position. 1 plus 3, 4, 2 minus 10 minus 8. Question number 2. B minus 3C. 3 minus 10, 3 into C. C is given as minus 5, 7. 3 minus 10 minus 3 5s 15 minus 15, 3 into 7, 21. So while subtracting, 3 minus of minus 15 minus 10 minus 21. 3 minus of minus 15 minus minus plus 3 plus 15, 18. Minus 10 minus 21, that means minus 31. This is our answer. And the last one, 2C minus 5A. C is given as minus 5, 7 minus 5 into A. A is given as 1, 2. 2 into minus 5. This will cause minus 10. 2 into 7. This is 14. Minus 5 into 1, 5, 5 into 2, 10. While multiplying a vector by any scalar number, we will multiply each elements by that scalar number. That means minus 10, minus 5, 14 minus 10 equal to minus 15, 4. This is our answer. From this video, what had we learned? We learned how to add or how to subtract two column vectors. While adding or subtracting, what did we do? We just added the corresponding position or just subtracted the corresponding position. And what about the multiplication of a vector by a scalar number? While we multiply a vector by a scalar number, we simply multiply each of the elements of the vector by that number. For example, 3 into this vector, that means 3 into minus 5 minus 15, 3 into 7, 21. 2 into minus 5 minus 10, 2 into 7, 14. While we are multiplying 5 by this, 5 into 1, 5, 5 into 2, 10.